Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Name the only native North American marsupial. Is it A. Otter, B. Opossum, C. Coyote, or D. Squirrel? The answer is B. Opossum.
The opossum, North America's only native marsupial, boasts a remarkable immune system that makes it highly resistant to snake venom. These nocturnal creatures also play dead convincingly when threatened, a behavior known as playing possum, which can last up to 4 hours and often deters predators looking for a lively meal.
Question 2. Which moon is the second largest satellite in our solar system? Is it A. Titan, B. Europa, C. Io, or D. Luna? The answer is A. Titan.
Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the second largest satellite in our solar system, boasts a thick atmosphere rich in nitrogen. It's the only moon known to have stable bodies of liquid on its surface, lakes and rivers of methane and ethane, making it a fascinating world that resembles early Earth conditions.
Question 3. What hormone controls the supply of sugar from the blood to the muscles? Is it A. Adrenaline, B. Insulin, C. Estrogen, or D. Keratin? The answer is B. Insulin.
Insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels, was discovered in 1921 by Frederick Banting and Charles Best. Before its discovery, diabetes was often a fatal disease. Insulin's role is so crucial that it acts like a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose in, fueling muscles and energy production.
Question 4. What is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5? Is it A. 14, B. 9, C. 15, or D. 10? The answer is C. 15.
The sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15, which is the same number of minutes it takes for sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth. Interestingly, in numerology, 15 is considered a harmonious number symbolizing love and family, perhaps fitting for a sequence that brings numbers together.
Question 5. How many pairs of chromosomes does the average human have? Is it A. 23, B. 10, C. 12, or D. 2? The answer is A. 23.
Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, totaling 46. These tiny structures are like biological libraries, storing the genetic instructions that make each person unique. Interestingly, the 23rd pair determines sex, XX for females and XY for males. This chromosomal dance is a key player in the grand symphony of life.
Question 6. What is a terrapin? Is it A. a turtle, B. a vegetable, C. a volcanic rock, or D. a type of cloud? The answer is A. a turtle.
Terrapins are fascinating creatures that straddle the line between land and water. Unlike their fully aquatic turtle cousins, terrapins thrive in brackish waters like estuaries and tidal marshes. The name terrapin is derived from an Algonquian word meaning little turtle, highlighting their unique place in both Native American culture and ecosystems.
Question 7. What is the word for a young wallaby? Is it A. a kid, B. a joey, C. a cygnet, Or D. A gosling. The answer is B. A joey.
A young wallaby is called a joey, just like its kangaroo cousins. These adorable marsupials are born the size of a jelly bean and spend months developing in their mother's pouch. Interestingly, female wallabies can delay birth until conditions are favorable, ensuring the best start for their tiny joeys.
Question 8. What is the name of the first spacecraft to land on the moon? Is it A. Gemini 6, B. Voyager 1, C. Sputnik 1, or D. Apollo 11? The answer is D. Apollo 11.
Apollo 11, the first spacecraft to land humans on the moon in 1969, carried a plaque signed by President Nixon that read, "We came in peace for all mankind." The mission's lunar module, Eagle, touched down on July 20th with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin aboard while Michael Collins orbited above.
Thanks for tuning in to our science and nature quiz. Remember, even if you didn't ace it, you're still a star in our universe. Stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.